How to allow direct message to everyone on TikTok. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly, open the TikTok. So when you will open the TikTok, here you can see profile at the bottom right corner. So click on it. So when you will click on it, here is the options of three lines on the top right corner. So click on it, then click on setting and privacy. So after this, here you can see a privacy option. So just click on privacy. So after this, scroll down. So when you will scroll down, here is the options of direct message. So here you can see allow direct message from. So click on it. So when you will click on it, here you can see everyone option. So just click on everyone. So when you will click on everyone, now everyone can send you direct message on TikTok. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.